Yo, yo, yo! What up, YouTube Reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, otherwise known as Only Using Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. So, another package been sent out to me by a company, Ajazz. Now, I have so many keyboards from these guys. They sent me another one out, so let's unbox this thing already. Pretty much already know what it is. And I just hit my camera. Sorry about that. Again, like I said, another package from Ajazz. Now I have a bunch of the keyboards from them. As you can see, this is one of my keyboards here with my 24 karat gold keycaps. My straight up silver. This is worth, well, I don't know the exact price for it, but this is 24 karat gold, dipped in gold. This was sent to me by a company, and this is silver, right there, custom back right there. I did all this myself. Then I have this keyboard right here, which is Ajazz. Also, another keyboard right there. These are all blue switches, and most likely this is gonna probably be another blue switch. So let's just unbox this real quick. And there we go. Another keyboard sent out by Ajazz. I actually like it. So just give me a second, guys. Oh, so this one's actually different. They gave me a different brush. This is actually different. So that's different. Ooh, the USB cords is actually different. Okay. Keycap pull is the same. Okay. And here we go right here. Oh, their branding is actually different with that. This is the old keycaps, the old one right here. As you can see, Ajazz. This is their old logo, and they actually pushed it over. So now they got two shine throughs. That's actually good. And their keycaps is actually way better. Wow. The keycaps is way better. That shift key, it's kind of like faded. It looks faded. I don't know, but it looks way different. Yeah, guys. I mean, this is a whole different keyboard. It's a whole different keyboard. So I wonder what switches in here. Actually, let's use a different puller. It's probably blues. Yep, blues. And the space bar should actually be a pink, I believe. Yep, there we go. It looks like a purple, but it's not. It's like a pink. I actually like it though. And double shot. So the logo, the logo is printed on. I don't know why they did that. They should have just left it the way how it was with the Ajazz logo on it. That would have been way better. But let's just see exactly how the lights is on this. I do like Ajazz keyboards because it's actually really bright. When that thing just popped off. This is a different cord. This is a way different cord from before. Yeah, the keycaps is actually different. This is actually different. Different front. Function F8. Everything is still the same. Yeah, everything's still the same, guys. So that's my review right there, guys. And I'll catch you guys later. Peace, deuces one, and I'm out.